Yep. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Panji Harjanto and my partner are Imam Mujahidin Fahmi, Saleh M. Ali, and Aimal Bashir de Malino. We are from Hasanuddin University, Makassar, Indonesia. Ladies and gentlemen, on this occasion, I will present of paper number 104, title Institutional Development of Farmers to Agriculture Area-Based Corporation in Indonesia. Introduction. Organizing farmer. Organizing farmer has been the main strategy for improvement actor in rural areas in Indonesia. 2. The problem is this group do not develop as expected, so they are not able to support of achievement of program goals. 3. Farmers Corporation are a very strategic form of farmer economic improvement because it will unite all the research owned by farmers and manage them in integrated management. 4. The growth in development of farmer corporation will be able to release to economic institution of corporate farmer. 5. The purpose of the study is in the division of studying, also give recommendation for policy of the development and integration of farmer institution framework. The various activities carried out this world series of study are 1. Prepares study plans, extract primary and secondary data analysis and with problems. 2. Conducts on study and regulation policy and program for the development of farmer economic insertion. 3. Conditioning, analysis, and compiling research manuscripts. Research methods that tips and research. The synthesis of data and information from the literature review become the material for formulating policy recommendation from the study of development. Analyzing method. The analyzing method used is descriptive, qualitative method. Data analysis. For certain case, it will be enriched with an in the depth analysis of that or information on the scope of the particular case of area. Data analysis. The study allocation cover major or strategic development program nationality. Development of farmer instruction and Farmer Economic Institution National 2015 until 2021. Farmer corporations are built with a purpose. A. Increase farmer income and standard of living. B. Strengthen system. C. Increase added value and competitiveness. D. Increase farmer capacity and independent farmer business intersection. E. Increase adoption of technology and agricultural mechanization that advanced and modern. F. Increase access for information technology in infrastructure, finishing, processing, and marketing. Recommendation for policy for the development and integration for farmer institution and partner for the growth and development based to agriculture areas. The Ministry of Agriculture as pioneer cross-sectoral corporation with other ministries or agencies and local government to optimize to potential carrying capacity. The implementation of various regional development partners with an area-based approach that has been developed by the Ministry of Agriculture. The step for the growth of farmer corporation and the integration of farmer institution in agriculture development areas will include several steps that must be carried out sequentially. At the preparation state for the growth of farmer corporation includes socialization of farmer corporation, consolidation of stakeholder, consolidation of farmer and farming business, design of farmer corporation, preparation of business models, determination of international from management and legal status, preparation of supporting infrastructure, readiness of human resource. Consultation and policy recommendation. Consultation, 1, the Ministry of Agriculture is in the form of developing an approach to area-based agricultural development management by supporting the development of farmer institutions. 2, the strength and the position of farmer. The government is also developing farmer economic institutions. Policy recommendation, agribusiness policy recommendation. 1, agribusiness ventures in the modern world require strong actors. 2, development of agricultural area development based on farmer corporation must be carried out with a regulator approach to strengthening farmer economic. 3, institutional farmer in form of farmer group. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.